are presenting the Speedline system to you. It comes with a Speedline puller, speed lines, a wide range of pull knobs, glue and wedge. Basically all that you need to repair small to medium type of damage. The puller's unique design is focused on offering a large range of functions. Its high-placed position enables a wide scope of application. On one side it allows the feed to be placed at different locations but also offers enough space to perform the crown knockdown process, which is crucial to repair larger damages. Next we have 6 different type of speed lines. 3 different widths and shapes. The Speedline 8 is from small creases. The Speedline 16 has a off-center pull and is ideal for body lines and edges. The Speedline 24 is for larger damages which require a larger pulling force. Each of them comes with a straight or the R version which is being used on round or curved body lines. Then we have 10 different types of pull knobs for different type of damages. Then we have the additional tools for the repair process. With the Speedline set you can repair small dents as shown here. Simply glue on the pull knobs. Pull them up with the Speedline puller. Then knock them down with the knockdown. With the speed lines you can repair creases or line damages. Take the Speedline 8 and glue it on. Let it cool off. And with the Speedline puller work out the crease bit by bit. The overpuller area can be flattened with the knockdown, as well as body lines and edges can be pulled up with the Speedline 16 which has a off-center pull. Again here pull and knock down or if needed re-pull in leftover low area. Also for damages on round areas like the trunk in this example. Apply the Speedline 16R. Let it cool off. Apply the Speedline puller and pull out the damage. Here you can see on how easy it is to remove the speed lines.